this series, I am mystified by Junmar Fajardo. I'm just saying na Ginebra is the most popular team in the PBA. The PBA will benefit na nasa finals ang Ginebra kasi they're the most top drawing box office teams. Posible na manalo sila kasi nga ma-inspired sila sa fans. But to me, wala silang sagot kay Junmar Fajardo. And then when you have Troliano scoring 30-some points in one game na 6 points lang si Fajardo, it just shows you the depth of the San Miguel team. But this series, I am mystified by Junmar Fajardo. And I'm not saying this because we are both from Cebu, but I'm just saying this with just pure marvel. This guy is 36 years old. He has a history of a compound fracture. This guy had 27 rebounds in one game, 23 rebounds in game one. Can you imagine how hard that is? He's still performing. But again, he doesn't need that. He's the highest paid PBA player sa ang narinig ko 2 million yata. Walang ibang, and nobody deserves. He should get 3 million.